Hey, good morning all. Okay, this is Paramashivam. I am going to create a separate playlist. Okay, that playlist we will discuss about what is the design phase of Elasticsearch applications. So, what are the design involvement or considerations we have to do? Okay, while designing any applications for Elasticsearch. So design means, so I am not considering here capacity or hardware requirement. Okay, I am going to talk about only the indices, documents, storage. Okay, sorry, fields. Okay, then any analyzers. Okay, ILM policy. Okay, so these are the things are involved in the design phase of any applications. So technically, okay, here these are the six major activities. Okay, all are separate and very big topics. Okay, or a very big phase in fact. Okay, so so these are the things I am going to talk about in this playlist. So I'll just give the introduction of each phase and where you have to learn further if you want. Okay, so I will show that. So that is the purpose of this video. So first things, template. Okay, so template is either explicitly we are creating or implicitly Elasticsearch itself they considered. Okay, so template is just a kind act as a schema for the index. Okay, so like RDBMS we will create the schema with sometimes we call as metadata in RDBMS. Similarly in the in the Elasticsearch, okay, we will call as a index. So index similar to the tables. Okay, so for the index we will create the template. Okay, rather than the word schema we call it a template. Okay, so template means we have two type of templates. One is component templates, that is a reusable component, like functions. In any programming language we can define any function and reuse, right? Similarly, so component template, that is what, okay, like for modular design of template and actual template designs. Okay, so actual template, that is index templates. Okay, so index template will match to one or more or zero or more actual index. Okay, okay, that is what index. So the index template is associated with the indexes. So while creating index, that index name will match to the particular template name. That's how the templates are associated with the index. So nowhere we explicitly say or specify, hey, this is the index name, this is the template you have to suppose. No, it is matched by the pattern matching only. So that is what template. And mapping, so obviously mapping means it has a lot. Okay, so primarily we consider at least defining the data types of fields. So index means index in turn going to store documents, right? In table in RDBMS it's a row. Okay, so here we call as a document. So document will have many fields, that is key value pair. Okay, so even I described in some of other video how the hierarchy in fact. Okay, so the actual documents are stored within the index. So document going to have many fields. So what is the data types? Okay, so that is what we will we majorly concentrate in the mapping. Of course, other than field we can define many other properties like analyzer. What is analyzer has to be used for text. Okay, and some other parameters are there. So I will I will explain in next some other video what are other parameters are there. That is what mapping exactly. Then analyzer. Okay, so of course analyzer, so we are doing indexing, right? So indexing is a major indexing is a is an important selling point of Elasticsearch, right? So for that we are using analyzer. Analyzer we will be using only for text field. Okay, analyzer we will be using for only the text field. So that we can there are set of analyzer already there. Okay, analyzer means is combination of what character filter, tokenizer and token filters. Okay, that is what. So actual atomic unit is character filters, tokenizer, and token filters. So there are a lot of built-in tokenizers are coming, lot of built-in token filters are coming, lot of built-in character filters are coming. Okay, so just group of these combination of these we call as a analyzer, right? So we will apply the analyzer to one or two text field. So that analyzer is obviously used while indexing as well as searching. Mostly the same analyzer we will be using for both case, that's to get exact result. Sometimes we may need separate analyzer for searching and separate analyzer for indexing. Okay, and then ILM policies. Okay, so it is just automated way to manage the indexes, nothing but. Okay, it's automated way manage the indexes. So moving index from one page to another, what is threshold, okay, these are the stuff. So similarly template. Okay, so we have to define the ILM policies. Okay, and ILM policy obviously applicable for only data nodes, not any other type of node, of course master node or ingestion node or machine learning node. Okay, there the ILM policy is not applicable. ILM policy only applicable for the data nodes. Okay, so it's automated way, nothing but. Okay, now once we defined, we have to associate with one or more index template. Okay, index template or index, either way we can, that's how we are associating. Okay, that's how we will associate any ILM policy with the indexes. And data streams, of course it is a collection of indices. Okay, it is, I would say it's collection of indices, but many only one indices we can write at a times, but all many other indexes are we call as backup indexes. Okay, or roll over indexes. Okay, so those indexes can be used for read only. Actually we have to, this is a new feature, in fact it's added 6 plus onwards. So it is good for any metric data or logarithmic data. So this we call as a time series data, right? So for every second or for in timely manner we will get logs message, in timely manner we will get metric data, right? So for those use cases we can consider to use the data streams rather than indexing alone. What is the advantage of using data stream rather than index alone? Yes, I will talk later. Okay, and aliases. So aliases for index or particular fields. So aliases we can define for index or one or more indexes, in fact. Okay, so one or more indexes. So especially sometimes we want to we cannot rename the field. Okay, if we rename the field, then re-indexing has to happen. So to avoid such situations, we can just create alias for the existing field, that is field level usage. And filter level index level, that is index level aliases. What is now? So aliases we can create to associate, kind of tagging, nothing yet. Okay, nothing but. So let's say we have 10 indexes. Okay, for those 10 indexes I want to associate some ILM policy. Okay, so individually I cannot write. So for the so what is, I will create alias kind of tagging. Okay, for matching those for set of indexes, or I can use pattern matching as well. Okay, or explicit name as well I can give it. So we can create alias for one or more indexes, sorry, 0 or more indexes. Okay, and associate with any ILM policy. That is another kind of use cases for aliases. So mainly aliases, what is now already we designed, but right now we cannot do any changes. Okay, in the index definition or mapping or setting, something like that. So still we want to give another name for other purpose. So that is where we will go for aliases. So aliases, so mostly aliases we will be creating for existing setups. While designing new application at the time of starting phase, we no need to get any alias. Okay, at the down the line, based on the business requirement, we will create the aliases. So these are the 6 topics we are 6 topics or 6 different modules, you can say, we have to consider while creating, while designing any applications. Okay, that is what called design phase. Let me show, if you want to learn more about. So this is a master piece. Okay, master links. Okay, so you can get in the Google itself, like what is it, ElasticSearch documentation. Okay, so it is and this document is not available for PDF, sorry, in PDF as much as I know. Even I checked with the vendor also. Okay, Where is Elasticsearch? Elasticsearch documentations. Okay, actually I have bookmarked. Okay, these are some of the articles if you want to learn. Okay, but here you can see the documentations. I think again it will go there. Okay, let me go my bookmark links. So here this is what Elasticsearch reference. So it is better to read in online itself. Okay, so actually here you can see some of the highlights. It is not particular, it is not related to the Elasticsearch. So I use the what is it, this plugin, this extension called the super simple highlighters. So, okay, along with the note alongside. So I use these two plugin to highlight or to annotate the some content as per my need, or for it, it will helpful, it is make easy for me. Okay, here in these links, of course mapping is one topic we have discussed. Text analysis we have, that is called analyzer. Okay, then index template, so it's called the, we discussed that index template or component templates. Okay, data streams we have discussed, of course alias we have discussed. Okay, and ILM policies. Okay, so these are the different modules we have to take care while designing of any Elasticsearch projects. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the content, okay, please comment and subscribe my channels. Thanks for watching.